Hey there! Today we're going to go over everything you need to know after your HomePulse system is installed. Let's dive into it. First things first, your HomePulse coverage starts as soon as it's installed and connected. If HomePulse detects an issue, we'll contact you to schedule a convenient time for service. But if you notice a problem that's causing an interruption in your heating and cooling before HomePulse does, give us a call and we'll be there within 24 hours and you'll get a 2-hour appointment window guaranteed. It's all part of your service plan. Your maintenance responsibilities are key to everything running smoothly. If you don't perform the required maintenance, you could be responsible for repairs and the 24-hour response guarantee won't apply. For an easy guide, check out this video and download the checklist. We also offer a filter program with auto ship options for your convenience. You can find filters on Genz-Ryan.com, a true set it and forget it system. Continuous internet coverage is essential for HomePulse to function properly. If you change your service or your Wi-Fi password, make sure you reconnect your HomePulse device. Detailed instructions are in a separate video, which you can find right here. That wraps up our guide on post-installation with HomePulse. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact our team. Stay connected with HomePulse, where your comfort is our priority. Take care, and we'll see you next time.